Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Down at the Unit. Today, I've got a few things on the list to do. Got myself a nice whiteboard. Yeah boy. I need to write everything down that I need to do on both of the cars. Just a quick glance. As you can see, I need to do the intercooler piping, fluids, coolant, gearbox oil, plate the chassis at the front, body kit, and tax the car so I can drive it. It came. Well, the 90-degree bend came. As you can tell, it's the wrong colour. I was meant to order blue, but I ordered red because I'm stupid like that. And I didn't check my options when I ordered it. Got angry when it arrived, thinking, oh, this can't be my mistake, can't be my mistake. Yeah, it was my mistake. So, before I sent an angry email to the seller, I quickly checked that it was my error. But yeah, anyway, it's a red one and it's going to stay. I'll probably have to cut a bit off it to get it to fit. But let's get into it. I'm going to take the piping down a bit, so I'm going to cut there and there. I would usually use a junior hacksaw, but I can't find one. So this will have to do. Look at that, a perfectly unstraight cut. Oh yeah boy. Bit smaller, let's see how that does on the car. Don't want it to be at a weird flex angle. If I cut a bit more off either side. Right, this other pipe isn't long enough. Can I just make do? Oh. I'm unscrewing the wrong bloody thing. It looks like the screw is dimpled in. That's good, isn't it? Can I do away with that pipe entirely and just have that long? Let's try it. I can just feel I'm gonna have to get new bloody intercooler pipe. I did buy a set of clamps, but I don't know where the hell they went. It was that long ago. I've forgotten where they could have gone or just disappeared. They have. Let's try this anyway. If I can't do it, hopefully the boost can't do it either. Somehow I don't think that's long enough. Will that come from the boost? Nope. I don't know how much boost my arms produce, but I don't think it's much to Starlet. Pikey pipe, let's see how this does. It looks like it comes out a bit too much, but once that's clamped down, should be ideal. Right. There is a gap. Ignore the cracks. Can't stick it on now. I haven't done the intercooler. At least that fits fine. So tie everything up as it is. Have you got the jet wash attachment end on the back? Every time. Little caps go on top of the cables. Stop them from leaking, I guess. Yep, left-hander problems. Oh shit, bye. Click, click, click. Push those little, whatever they are in. Doesn't stop water getting in. Boom. Was it 12? I'm sure it was 10. It works. Tell you what, it smells in here when you put no exhaust on. Whew. Yeah, so she's back on again. Ooh, need to do that. Need to do that. Need to do that, I need to do that. Yeah, got that one out of the way. And she runs, so. Right, that's it for this episode. So next episode, get the exhaust back on, get oil in that gearbox, and then take it for a spin, I think. Take it for a spin and see how she does. Yeah. And the body kit, of course, put that back on. So, until next episode, don't forget to like, comment. If you fancy it, just whack a subscription on there. And until the next episode, see you later, guys. Take it easy.